Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change all fonts in Google Slides. To begin, open your presentation and locate the View menu at the top. From there, select Theme Builder. This action will open a new panel, revealing the master slides and various layout options for your entire presentation. This is the only way to ensure a consistent font change. Once inside the Theme Builder, click on the very first slide, which is your main master slide. This slide dictates the default fonts for your entire presentation. Select the title text box, then choose your preferred font from the toolbar. Repeat this for the subtitle and body text placeholders to ensure all default text styles are updated. To improve stability and prevent wobbling, consider adding a second piston. This provides extra support, especially for heavier jets. Make sure both pistons are synchronized to extend and retract at the exact same time for smooth operation. You can use a few small, lightweight blocks as guides to keep the gear aligned during movement. Carefully check for any clipping issues where the gear might intersect with your jet's body when retracted. A little adjustment here makes a big difference. To finalize your changes, simply click the X button in the top right corner of the Theme Builder to close it. You will immediately see your presentation update with the new fonts. Scroll through your existing slides to verify that every text element has adopted the new style. From this point forward, any new slides you add will also automatically use your chosen font theme.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.